Good evening. Tomorrow, the first ever walk-up weekend at First Amendment Tattoo. The owner of that tattoo shop says some of the proceeds will be going towards a local nonprofit, but now the health department cracking down, saying the proper permits were not obtained.
23 ABC's Alyssa Flores spoke to the shop's owner today, who says regardless, the event is still on. Alyssa?
Tim, Jessica, Chris Earl says that he has been promoting this event, Walk-Up Weekend, for quite some time now. Tattoo artists coming in from all over the state to his shop here, First Amendment on White Lane. Part of the proceeds going to a good cause. And he says even after receiving a letter from Public Health today, that event is still on. Chris Earl says this isn't the first time he's organized a tattoo event to raise money for a local nonprofit.
They do need a lot of stuff, you know. There's people, these kids don't have much.
This time it's at his tattoo shop, First Amendment, in Southwest Bakersfield. 25% of proceeds from tattoos at Walk-Up Weekend will raise money for the Jamison Center, Kern County's only 24-hour emergency shelter for abused and neglected children.
25, 30 artists coming from all over California.
But now Kern County Public Health is cracking down on the event.
Got this letter from the Public Health Department today.
Friday, a hand-delivered letter from Public Health says Earl doesn't have the appropriate permits to hold the event, specifically a body art temporary event permit.
Telling us that we did not get the temporary body art permit to have an event in our tattoo shop.
But Earl says he's held similar fundraising events at his other tattoo business in Bakersfield in the past.
We do these kind of events all the time.
Public Health adds that only part of the shop is permitted for tattooing.
The front room of our shop is permitted, they said, but the back room of our shop is not permitted.
As far as the food truck that's set to be in the parking lot out front and the beer garden that will be put up by the bar next door, Public Health says permits are missing as well.
They sent the letter today and told us that's that.
Regardless, Earl says Saturday's event is still on.
We got people coming from all over. We've been advertising this for a month and a half, 2 months. I don't know what else we can do.
Public Health says they plan on going to the event Saturday if it does in fact take place and, quote, will take action based upon what is happening on site and warranted for public safety.
I'm worried because we got all of us work here. This is what we do for a living.
Earl says he's been speaking with County Supervisor Zach Scribner's office to try to come up with a resolution to this whole situation. In the meantime, there's been a flyer posted here at First Amendment on the front door that says that this event is in fact happening here tomorrow from noon until 10 p.m. In Southwest Bakersfield, Alyssa Flores, 23 ABC.
All right, Alyssa, thanks. We want to shift now to the latest.